Today we make beef koftas. It's a Middle Eastern inspired kebab. We're grilling, baby.
1 pound Lars lean ground beef. 1/4 cup grated onion.
1/4 cup parsley.
2 garlic cloves, grated.
1 lemon, grated. Mint, smell that? Chop it.
2 tablespoons. 1½ teaspoon cumin. 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon.
Kosher salt.
Pepper.
Mix it. Get in there. Don't be a wimp. Divide the mixture evenly among 4.
Spray the skewers. Wrap the skewer, forming a torpedo.
Refrigerate 30 minutes to chill and set so they don't fall off the skewers. Now we make the yogurt sauce. Roll the lemon. You know why.
7 ounces Greek yogurt.
2 tablespoons lemon juice.
2 tablespoons parsley. Pinch kosher salt.
Whisk.
Olive oil. Heat grill, medium heat. Oil the grates. Add the kebabis. Grill 8 minutes, turn halfway. Our yogurt.
Pickled onions. Fresh lemon.
Olive oil.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, darling, you send me, I know.
Your favorite snack, Takis? Hello, hello. This is the fancy souffle you never had. Spicy blue souffle. Secret of a souffle is a layer of butter in this vertically. Then we chill this for 30 seconds. Then brush another layer. Gonna sprinkle in the ramekin, make sure to cover evenly. Now we chill in the fridge. Egg white, we make the meringue. Squeeze some lemon juice in. You see the volume increase, slowly adding sugar, getting shiny. Hold on. Stiff peak. 1/3 of meringue. Then add pastry cream, strawberry puree. Then we add the rest of the meringue. Don't overmix, lose the air. Fill the ramekin all the way to the top. Just turn, and you can have this. Oven. Let's see the souffle. Takis. To make it fancy, poke one in the middle. Is that beautiful? Crunchy and fluffy.
Delicious! Let's make some super sexy strawberry sfogliatelle! First of all, let's make your cream. Boil your milk with some lemon zest. In the meanwhile, whisk your eggs with sugar until beautiful. Add your corn flour and finally your boiled milk. It's time to put the liquid into the saucepan and stir until sexy. Finally, cut your puff pastry, spike it with a fork, add your cream, strawberries and bake for 20 minutes.
If you're like me and you have an obsession with avocados and hummus, you are going to love this recipe. Start with chickpeas, garlic and tahini in a blender. Squeeze in some lemon, add salt and of course some olive oil. Now for the star, add a whole ripe avocado and blend all together. The tip to get it smooth is to add ice and ice water and blend again. This combo is a total game changer and will be your new favorite snack. So apparently today's rigatoni pasta day. I don't know why it started, but hey, I'm here for it. The best part about today's sauce is that it doesn't need to be cooked. You just add all the ingredients to a blender and blitz together to get a chunky consistency. And just like that, you have sun-dried tomato pesto. Add to your cooked pasta with some pasta water and mix that goodness all together.
When it's grilling season, you grill. Even ground beef tacos. Let's go.
3 poblanos, halved lengthwise. 1 red onion, extra large, thick slice.
Avocado oil.
Kosher salt, pepper. Medium heat. Oil the grates. Grill 3 minutes on each side till tender.
Heat a 10-inch cast iron skillet, 2 tablespoons avocado oil. 1 pound large lean ground beef.
Kosher salt.
Pepper. It's all natural, vegetarian fed, lean and delicious. 2 teaspoons chili powder. 2 teaspoons garlic powder.
1.5 teaspoons ancho chili pepper.
1.5 teaspoons onion powder.
1.5 teaspoons cumin. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne.
Oh, this is spiced up, baby. Just the way you like it.
Saute 4 to 5 minutes until brown.
2 tablespoons tomato paste.
Roll the lime.
It loosens the juice. 2 tablespoons lime juice.
Add the sauce. Stir. Remove 1/3 cup cilantro. Corn tortillas.
Lightly brush with avocado oil.
Toast 30 seconds. Remove. Cover. Add the beef. Monterey Jack. Grilled onions. Grilled poblanos.
Hit it with lime because you're fancy. Let's make the perfect creamy omelet. It's French. 2 eggs. Whisk.
8-inch nonstick skillet. Heat over medium heat. Melt the butter. No need for milk. This is our cream. Add your eggs. Vigorously work the eggs. You want small curds. Once the curds start to form, stop. Let it set. Medium-low heat. Sprinkle salt. French omelet has no browning. It's going to carry over cook on the plate. Black pepper. Sea salt.
Make sure you pamper your mama. Make her breakfast in bed. Don't disappoint me.
Chives, because she's fancy. Roll the orange. It loosens the juice. Freshly squeezed orange juice. My iced lemon loaf.
Today I'm making a healthy grilled flank steak platter. On the Blackstone, Arizona edition. I pounded out a 2-pound flank steak. We're gonna start with the marinade. 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil. Tablespoon minced garlic. 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar. 1/3 cup soy sauce. And a 1/3 cup honey from the Sonoran Desert of Arizona. Now we're gonna pour all this delicious marinade over the flank steak, and we're gonna marinate it in the fridge for about 2 hours. Now I'm gonna make the herb sauce. 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, tablespoon minced garlic, the juice of 1 lemon. We're gonna loosely chop up a cup of basil and fresh dill, salt and pepper. We're gonna add all of this mixture into a blender or food processor, whatever you have. Mix it all up. 5 ears of corn on the grill. Get them charred. Add the flank steak. We're gonna go about 5 to 6 minutes per side. You want a nice char on there. All right, we're gonna flip it. That is not burnt. That is the honey and soy. You want a crust on this meat. Done about 4.5 minutes each side. Remove the meat, get a nice char on the corn, and remove it. We're gonna cut up and slice 2 avocados. Cut up some green onions. We're gonna cut the corn off the cob. You're gonna wanna cut this against the grain. The grain's going this way. Check this out. Medium. Add the corn to a serving bowl. Next go the sliced avocados. 1 cup of feta cheese. Now we're gonna lay the flank steak on top of the feta. The green onions. Then drizzle the herb sauce on top. You kidding me? Today I'm making chicken marsala pasta delight. Using chicken thighs, salt and pepper. Get the seasonings everywhere. In a Dutch oven, package of pancetta. Slice up 1 onion. Chop up a handful of garlic. I rendered the fat from the pancetta, remove it from the pan. I didn't get enough of the fat from the pancetta, So I'm gonna bake it up the Dutch oven and cook the chicken. Add the chicken skin side down. About 4 minutes aside. 8 minutes total, remove the chicken. Wonderful mix. We're gonna add the onions, a full pack of mushrooms. Add some fresh thyme from the garden, some more salt and pepper. Cut up my chicken, I'm gonna add it back in. Add the garlic and the pancetta back in. This is all fused together, 2 cups of chicken broth. 1 cup Marsala wine, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, and 1 cup milk. Using rigatoni, add it to the mix. Rolling boil, cover, simmer, 10 to 15 minutes so the noodles are tender. Some Mark Ryan Lost Soul Syrah. Grate a cup of Parmesan cheese. Pasta's al dente, add a cup of Parmesan cheese. Transfer to the serving bowl. Garnish with some fresh parsley from the garden. A little more Parmesan cheese. Are you kidding me?